Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week, acquiring 2.53%, which is genuinely critical. The cost of Axie boundlessness in every way that really matters rose by 0.77% in the past 24 hours, or so they in every way that really matters thought. As far as Axie's support floor, it basically is presently $10.21 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie basically has its sort of next obstruction at $11.87, which sort of is genuinely critical. 23 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through a Axie limitlessness cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, certainly got clarification on some things facts. What most certainly is essentially transient cost expectation for Axie vastness truly is Axie's a truly wise venture, which sort of is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness support and obstruction levels and so forth, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping especially profound into the Axie's specialized examination, by and large let us in every practical sense discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which sort of is genuinely critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The kind of complete exchanging volume truly remains at $23,363,779,520. Truly further appearance how 23 July 2023. In this video, we will really walk you through a Axie vastness cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense, clarified some things, facts. What essentially is all things considered. Transient cost expectation for Axie endlessness fundamentally is acts as a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level, after a vertical development of 1.17%, sort of additional appearance how Axie truly has its really next opposition at $11.87 in a quite huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents, following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period, which certainly shows that the cost of Axie limitlessness, especially rose by 0.77% in the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. BNB, the sort of local coin of BNB for the most part, is up by 0.7, and at present exchanging at $243.64. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Axie fundamentally has its in every way that really matters. Next obstruction at $11.87, or so they essentially thought. These occasions in a real sense show that the market for the most part is going in a truly descending heading for in every way that really matters. Present moment truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, a sort of broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in every practical sense shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is very critical. Axie limitlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction are significant specialized markers used to by and large recognize especially key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, which in a real sense is very huge. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers most certainly become kind of more certainly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially shows that Axie explicitly has its especially next obstruction at $11.87 in a huge manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become move all things considered, dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. showing how these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market, for the most part, is going in a genuinely descending heading for genuinely present moment, which essentially is genuinely huge. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of a sheer vastness, acts as a sheer boundlessness execution. The essentially day-to-day graph of a sheer limitlessness, for the most part, shows that the axis cost has truly flooded up with a 0.77% increment in lovely beyond 24 hours, showing how BNB, the exceptionally local coin of BNB, certainly is up by 0.7. and at present exchanging at $243.64. Truly in opposition to mainstream thinking, the value worth of the Axie vastness, Axie's coin, certainly is remaining at $6.48, with market capitalization $775,305,357 United States dollars. So market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,207,461,109,687, or so they explicitly thought. Axie's cost changes 2.53% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is floating around $53,076,147 United States dollars, exhibiting how support really is a level at which purchasers truly become in every way that really matters, all the more beautiful dynamic, and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large shows that Axie basically has its especially next opposition at $11.87 in a fundamentally huge manner. Axie limitlessness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 23 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time period, explicitly made sense of underneath, which generally is genuinely critical. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA, to really dissect the future development of the Axie infinity. The Axie limitlessness by and large has generally break all its, for the most part, upholds levels, and things most certainly are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, showing that Axie endlessness support and obstruction levels and so on, which is very critical. Presently, truly bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take Axie's cost beneath the urgent help level of $10.21. exhibiting that the truly complete exchanging volume truly remains at $23,363,779,520. Genuinely further appearance how 23 July 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through a Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part sought